We got water, we got fruit, we got different types of milk. People just bring different stuff in. We got applesauces, so we got cold goods. We even have, we have chili. People just bring different stuff in, and people come and get what they need.
Because it is something that is terribly needed because of the pandemic right now. There are so many people that are unemployed. There are so many homeless people that's in the neighborhood. And it is a true blessing that you can actually come to a fridge. You don't have to be questioned and just grab something to eat.